guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Aakriti. I make videos about fashion, beauty, lifestyle, hairstyle and a lot more. So yeah, for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some really helpful tips and tricks to protect your skin this winter. So yeah, if you guys are interested then please keep on watching, and yeah, let's move on to the video. Always try whenever you go and take a shower, try and have lukewarm water and not very warm water, because that's really not good for the skin. So yeah, this thing I have learned and experienced, because yeah, I used to take bath with such warm water and yeah, it was really taking a toll on my skin. Secondly, with that, we see that whenever we are taking a shower with a soap, it tends to make our skin very dry. So what I'd suggest you is use some soaps that are very mild and won't make your skin very dry. To be honest, I feel Dove is one such soap which is not very drying to my skin. I mean, it suits me because the main part about it in winters, the dry skin. So for that you have to moisturize. The thing is that you need to upgrade your moisturizer. The moisturizer you used to use in summer won't work here. You need to get a moisturizer which has like this tendency to stay. The one moisturizer which I really love is that one Aroma Magic one that I showed you in my previous video. I think that's a really good moisturizer. It makes my skin so soft and it's really light base, so yeah, you won't feel like very sticky around your hands, on your face. So yeah, I lost count, but yeah, this is the next tip, is to stay hydrated. I know guys, I say this all the time, but yeah, this is really very important. Staying hydrated is one thing that is very important in winter, especially because skin पहले ही बहुत dry है and you need some moisture. You have moisturized बाहर से, but your skin and your body just needs it. Hydration is very important. On an average, try to drink at least 3 liters of water daily. Also, don't forget about your lips. We know lips tend to get so dry in winters, especially मेरे lips बहुत ज़्यादा chapped हो जाते हैं. Try and invest in a really good lip balm. Also guys, in winters it's very important to like clean your skin very gently, because your skin is already like very dry and you don't want to harm it furthermore. And also don't scrub it too often, because it will then hurt your skin and irritate it, and it will tend to get red and itchy. So yeah, always try कि winters में आप इतना ज़्यादा exfoliate ना करें. Once in a week of exfoliation in winters is fine. And yeah, try to invest in some very mild cleansers and apply toners. That's really good for skin, especially at night. You apply a toner and you clean your skin very nicely and do your little skincare routine, whatever you like to do. And yeah, then go to bed, and the next morning you will wake up with a very nice skin. So yeah, these are all the tips and tricks I feel are very important and helpful. Maybe these tips are going to be helpful for you to maintain your skin and make your skin very glowy and healthy in the winters. If you guys enjoyed the video, do like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and yeah, don't forget the bell icon. Okay guys, so yeah, bye.